It's coming from over there.
Yeah. Hear the siren?
Oh, we gotta come on. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh hell
What's
no.
happening?
Hi, Miss Sydney. Do you know what's happening? Oh. that freaked me out because I don't know where my dad is. Oh.
Oh, we thought
Hello?
we thought it was like a real
Yeah,
emergency.
yeah, we thought it was real because the sky's like dark and stuff, so it was like scary. All right, thank you. See ya.
This is just a test.
That was so scary.